Hello, this is Brendan Bingham. This is assignment 5.5, Prove Cybersecurity. So our first thing here is we looked up the network ports. Use the command prompt to display a list of active network connections. You just use the netstat command for that. The two that I decided to look into a little bit more are this port 22 and port 88. Port 22 is the service name SSH/SCP/SFTP. It basically is for secure shell, secure logins, file transfers, and port forwarding. And then the second one I did, just that second one there from the top, is number 88, and that is actually their Kerberos service, and it's for network authentication. Next up, we've got the running services tool, which is, let's see, this guy. Nope, that's the next one. Here we go. Running services. So here we have a list of all the running ones. I have them listed by status there. There's a ton of running services on this. The two that I decided to look at here are the DNS server, and it tells you a little description here on the side. It's the domain name service, and it runs the DNS. It allows clients to resolve DNS names by answering DNS queries and dynamic DNS update requests. It runs the whole DNS system. And then this other one I looked at is inter-site messaging. Enables messages to be exchanged between computers running Windows Server sites. So there's just a couple of the running services on here. There's a ton to go through. And then we created a firewall rule, which is this guy here. So we have our inbound rule here, which is inbound port 5000. You can disable it right there. Properties, goes in, and scope. So you allow the connection from port 50,000, sorry, not 5,000. And we did the same thing for outbound rules. We have outbound port 50,000. You can disable it right there. Properties, same thing. It is enabled and it allows the connection to port 50,000. And then last but not least, we created a scheduled task to verify or to check for Windows updates daily. And that is done on the local group policy editor. You go, we'll start up at the top. It's under computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components. You go clear all the way down to the bottom. Windows update, it's under manage end user experience and configure automatic updates. You'll see here if we click on it, it is enabled for every day. And that is assignment 5.5.